So guys, look at this. So I have my inverter set up in here. We're running off my truck. I brought my car up here since my truck got a stock alternator. We got jumper cables hooked up to there. We're powering we're going into my battery bank down here. And then, like right now, we got 12 amps or so coming off of my car because the truck's running. Our inverters, let's see, turn the light on. Our inverter is at like half its output. Now look at this. Got the extension cord running into the house. And guys can't really see inside, but we just had a huge storm today, and they said we're not gonna have power till like, I don't know, 11 o'clock at night or something. It's like 5:30 right now, 6 o'clock. And yeah, so that's how I'm powering the house. Powering the house off of that, because they really don't know when we're gonna get power back. And I got it powering my air conditioners and that. Which is funny, I just ordered a pure sine wave inverter, so I can't run any TVs off of it. I ordered a 7500 watt one. But yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do, stay cool. And then I got all my rechargeable flashlights inside. Let's see if you guys can see this. So you can see there's one of my spotlights, got it in there. I got my under hood light and everything in there. It's just interesting right now. But I'm glad I got an inverter. So, and both my vehicles got a full tank of gas. This is pretty interesting. See you later, guys. So guys, 2 air conditioners maxed out my inverter up there. So now I'm using this other cheap one that I have, and I ran an extension cord up to the house. So it's getting pretty interesting. And I think the air conditioner is like right on the borderline of this inverter because it's only like a 750 watt. 1500 watt max. Like the air conditioners really don't like it. They're kind of humming, but oh well. Gotta do what you gotta do. And we're managing to pull like 25 amps from my car, so it's working for right now. Hopefully we can get the house down. It's like 80 some degrees inside.